Welcome students, this is Teacher Padma. Today we'll start with the third chapter on political science for class 6th, and the name of the chapter is What is Government? You must have heard the word government mentioned several times. In this chapter you will learn about what a government is and the important role it plays in our life. So what do governments do? Okay, so let's get started. Now look at the newspaper headlines here. You can see the different kinds of activities that the government is reported to be doing in these newspaper headlines. See the first one. Government sought to protect rights of unorganized workers. Second one, detailed plan to tackle floods soon, says government. Government fixes price of onions, says no shortage in market. Fourth one, Supreme Court can have 5 more judges, says government. Government for revamping coal and power sector. And the last one, over 15,000 villages declared scarcity hit by government. Now the different kinds of work that the government does. The first one, see the first one, the government protects the rights of the people in the unorganized sector. So in the second one, the government makes plans to protect the people in case of natural calamities. Then, the government fixes the prices of essential commodities. Next, as the workload increases, the Supreme Court appoints more judges. Then the government will improve the condition in the coal and power sector. The government provides food where there is scarcity due to some reason. The government has to tackle all kinds of problems in the country. Yes or no, students? As you can see in this picture. Now, what do you think the government is? The government is a group of people who look after all the needs of the society. It protects the people in case of natural calamities. It protects the rights of the workers and works for the welfare of the people. There are also many other functions like providing leadership, maintaining order, providing public service, providing national security, providing economic security. Okay, many such things. Now, every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. Now, these can be decisions about where to build roads, schools, or say how to reduce the price of the onions when they get too expensive, or say ways to increase the supply of electricity. Then the government also takes action on many social issues. For example, it has several programs to help the poor. It does other important things such as running postal and railway services. The government also has the job of protecting the boundaries of the country and also maintaining peaceful relations with other neighboring countries. Then it is also responsible for ensuring that all its citizens have enough to eat and have good health facilities. And then when there are natural disasters, say like tsunami or an earthquake, flood, it is the government that mainly organizes aid and assistance for the affected people in those affected areas. And when there is a dispute or if someone has committed a crime, you will find people where in a court. Courts are also part of the government. Prime Minister of India is the chief of the government. He is also the chief advisor to the president and head of the council of ministers and the leader of the majority party in the parliament. A central government is the government that is controlling power. Okay, a central government is the government that is a controlling power over all the states and union territories. It also has the power to make laws for the whole country, not just a state, but whole country. Who does? Central government. Central government is present in the entire country and functions in whole country, not just a state or a union territory, but whole country. Central government is the governing authority of the country, state and union territories. Central government is located in New Delhi, that is the capital of India. Now that you know that the government is... Next we come to levels of government. Now that you know that the government is responsible for so many different things. Now, can you think of how it manages to do all this work? The government works at different levels. First at the local level, then at the level of the state, and at the level of national level last. Now, the local level means in your village, town or locality. The state level would mean that covers an entire state. For example, Goa, Haryana, Assam, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Okay, a state. And the national level relates to the entire country, full India. State is just Goa. National level, that is full India. Now, how local level government functions? How governments function at the state and central levels. Central level or national level is the topmost level of government, and the central government look after topics of national interest, and the Prime Minister PM is the head of the central government. Prime Minister is the head of the central government and it operates from the national capital, that is New Delhi. Then different states have their own level of government. The state government is headed by Chief Minister of that particular state. The state government look after the state matters. And the last is the local level. The government at this level looks after topics of local interest. Now look at this, look at the statements here, students. Now identify which level they belong to, okay? See the first statement here, the decision of the Indian government to maintain peaceful relations with Russia. Just an example I'm giving. Now this is local governments or state or central. Who will see to this matter? Local government, state or central? Central. Next one, the decision of the West Bengal government on whether to have board exams in class 8 for all government schools. Now this is state matter, so state government will look into this matter. Introduction of 2 new train connections between Jammu and Bhubaneswar, 2 different states. Who will see? Local, state government or central? Central government will see. The decision to locate a common well in a particular area of the village. Now, local government will see, state or central? Local government, just a common well in a particular area of the village. In the village, so local government will see. Then the decision to construct a big children's park in Patna. Now see, Patna is where? In Bihar. Bihar's capital is Patna. So the state government, the Bihar government will decide. Then the decision of the Haryana government to provide free electricity for all farmers. So it is a decision of a state government. Then the introduction of a new 1,000 rupee note. Now this decision only a central government can take. Okay. These big decisions only central government can take and not local or state government. Again I'll repeat, at the local level it means it works in the village, town and locality. The state level means that it covers the whole state, and the national level relates to the whole country. So this decision of introduction of a new 1000 rupee note is not only for a particular state, but this is for each and everyone living in this country. This is for the whole India and not for a particular state. All the decisions taken by a central government are for everybody, for each and every state and union territory.